Oh, hey yo mga kablurd! Join us as we head out to enjoy Nagashi Somen. This is gonna be our first time to eat this kind of food. Nagashi Somen, which translates to flowing noodles, originated in rural Japan as a way to enjoy somen noodles during the hot summer months. That's why. Its tradition is believed to have started in the countryside where people would use bamboo slides and flowing water from mountain streams to cool and serve the noodles. It is often enjoyed during summer festivals, family gatherings, and special occasions when the weather is warm.
A few inches later.
The refreshing and light nature of somen noodles served in cold water makes it a perfect dish for cooling down during the hot summer days. It is not only a culinary experience but also a cultural tradition that emphasizes the importance of sharing food and enjoying the company of others.
Nice.
It's really fun to wait for the noodles to slide down the bamboo. Lastly, serving of baby tomatoes bring closure and fulfillment to this meal.
POV, 25-year-old mom and her 33-year-old son.
It also creates a memorable moment for diners like us as we savor the final taste of this food. Oh, may natutunan na naman kayo mga ka-blurred, no? So, follow for more. That's all for today. At the next time, Ureshi!